This example asks us to find the domain and range of a given graph. This graph is a set of ordered pairs. To find the domain, recall that domain means x values. If you have a set of ordered pairs, then there will be a finite number of x values, meaning not an infinite amount, but a finite amount, countable. So this being the case, what you can do to find your domain, knowing that it's x values, is to go to each of your points and look and see what x coordinate goes with that point. So the point on the far right, if I go up, then the x value that goes with that particular coordinate is -1. So that would be the first value in my domain. Go to the next ordered pair to the left, go straight up, and you notice the x coordinate for that particular point is -2. Do the same things for the other points. So we'd have -3, -4, and then finally -5. If you have a set of ordered pairs, then the domain are only going to be a finite or countable number of x values. We use curly braces at the front and the back to indicate that this is a finite set. For the range, we're going to do the same thing but with the y values. So recall that range indicates y values. Okay, I'm going to erase the work that I had for the domain and then do the same work for the range. Range being y values means that I want to go on the y-axis and I want to see for my points what y values go with those ordered pairs. So for the first point on the far right, if I look over, then I see that the first y value is -3. Going to the next value to the left, look at that coordinate, and it looks like the y value is -6. Coordinate on the bottom, the y value is -9. Now going back to the left, I'd go to the next ordered pair and you see that it's the same as a value that we already have. The y value for that ordered pair is -6, so I don't need to repeat it and write it again. Likewise, the y value for this ordered pair is -3. I don't need to write it again. And so -3, -6, and -9 are the only values in my range.